Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the ESKUTE e-bike for you. Very simple and easy. If you have a friend who can help you, it's much easier, but you can do it yourself as well. So right now we should get rid of all these useless parts over here. Just cut. Alright guys, here we have some extra details you would use in order to assemble the bike. Toolbox with extra wrenches and Allen keys. But if you already are using an e-bike, you might also have your own stuff, so you might as well use those. Alright guys, first we need to attach this fender, okay? Let's have a look. Here we have a screw over here. Okay, we will unscrew it. Then you put this fender over here and you need to screw it back. It goes first, then the screw. Then you screw it back. Okay, and do the same here. Next, have a look. Here we have another screw. Do the same, unscrew this. Or you put them all together right here. Don't forget the light bulb should be facing forward. Use the key and screw it in, all together with the fender. Make sure you all did it firmly. Okay, now we're about to assemble this front wheel, okay? So first, you need to take off these caps. Let's get rid of this bolt over here. You can use your fingers as well as the range. Alright, next step is pretty simple. This disc brake over here should get inside the calipers over there, okay? Let's try to do this. In order to attach the wheel, we're gonna use this quick release system. Through the wheel, simple as that. Once it's here, start screwing in. The final step is to click this thing. When you've done with the wheels, you flip the bike over, and now let's deal with steering wheel, okay? Let's unscrew this thing over here. Keep this one, the top. Next step is we need to connect the display to a steering wheel stand, okay? First we unscrew this screws, bolts, to put it here and screw it in. Make sure you do it from both sides. Now we need to connect the steering bar to the display. First, let's get rid of the top over here by unscrewing the bolts. Once you remove the top of the display, you can begin connecting the steering bar to it, okay? Be sure it's in the center. Screwing the bolts in, okay? Do it diagonally. It'll make it easier for you. Okay, so the last step, you take the protector away, put the bolt inside and screw it in. Now you can put it back for water protection. You can adjust your steering bar whatever you like. And then screw the bolts. Tighten the bolts. To adjust the saddle height, you can use this mechanism over here. Just put it whatever you like and press it. To install the pedals, we need a 15mm wrench. Make sure this one is the right pedal. Make sure it's on its place. And then do the same for the left pedal. Left pedal goes counterclockwise. Next step, we need to attach the wires here. Make sure they're matching. We have different color for each. Blue one for blue, green for green, red for red. After you've assembled the bike completely, make sure everything is firm and steady. Check your fender. If it's not too attached, you can fix it later using the screwdrivers. You can check out the brakes if they're working fine. Adjust your steering wheel, pedals. Now let's make sure if the system is working all right. First, turn on the battery. Press the button. On the steering bar on the left, you press the on button. The display is on. By pressing the arrows, you choose different modes from 1 to 5. By pressing once the power button, you turn on the lights. Take the keys. You're gonna use them to lock the battery. Use your keys to open the battery slot. To close it down, simply push. Thank you for watching, everybody, and thank you for using the ESKUTE bike. Always remember to drive safely and wear a helmet.